Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make dark chocolate cake. First add all the dry ingredients: 1 cup flour, 1/3 cup cocoa powder, 2 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon bicarbonate soda powder, and sieve all the dry ingredients. 1 cup powdered sugar, half teaspoon salt. Mix well all together. Now add the wet ingredient: 2 eggs, half cup milk, quarter cup vegetable oil. In a glass, add 1 teaspoon coffee powder, 1/3 cup hot water. Mix well and add into the batter. Beat again till the coffee mix well. Don't overbeat. Grease the mold with butter and dust with flour. Pour the batter and tap. Preheat bottom thick pan. Place the lid like this. And now place the mold inside the pan. Keep the flame high for 1 minute. Cover the lid and cook from 20 to 25 minutes in a very low flame. Now let's check if the cake is cooked or not. Insert the knife in, and if it comes out very clean like this, then the cake is cooked. Remove the mold from the pan. Keep it aside and let it cool for a while. It's cool now, so now let's unmold. The cake has become very soft and moist. Now let's prepare the chocolate ganache. Add 2 tablespoons butter and 60 grams of dark chocolate and double boil. Chocolate ganache is ready now, so let's pour on top of the cake and top it with some nuts. The dark chocolate cake is ready now. Try this recipe and comment me below. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye.